All my friends know that I'm not one to sit around and not make a decision. I'm going to show you how confidence is the key to making fast decisions. Now, there is nothing more frustrating than working for someone who does not have the guts to make a decision. They ask questions of every person and never make a call. The bad thing is these people are typically the ones that call meetings and want to ask why nothing ever gets done, and they don't realize they hold the reins. They're the leader. They decide which way we're going. I don't know how many of you have been in the car business, but I can tell you the car business is an in-your-face, very aggressive, cutthroat business. Back in the early 2000s, I took over a Honda dealership as a general sales manager. That dealership had been losing money for years. They needed some drastic help. You know, these guys are used to getting cussed out, told off, and blamed. I remember the first morning meeting we had, I decided I'm not going to do that because I believe the real blame belongs in leadership. So I walked into that meeting and I said, I'll tell everybody here, any mistake we make from here forward, if we fail, it is not you that failed, it is me that failed. And I'm not going to fire anybody but me. It changed the entire landscape of the dealership. I could literally see the pride and confidence change in every person in that room immediately. All of them felt like someone was fighting for them, finally. It changed the way they worked. It changed how hard they fought to win. Within 30 days, we took a losing dealership into a winning dealership. A leader cannot be afraid to make a decision. As President Theodore Roosevelt said, in any moment of decision, the best thing you can do is the right thing, the next best thing is the wrong thing, and the worst thing you can do is nothing. Now, great leaders are not afraid to run onto the battlefield. They know there's risks. They're willing to take them. That's why they got the title, and they said, let me lead us. Now, the more failures you have means that you've been making decisions. Now, sometimes you made the wrong ones, but remember, you will fail more than you win. There's no time for paralysis of analysis. You got to make a call. Don't sit there with a blank stare on your face, not knowing which way to go. People will respect you making a wrong decision more than they would not making one. And that's why leadership's not for wimps. Sometimes you are going to fall flat on your face and have to pick yourself up. Sometimes people are going to help you up. Sometimes people are just going to leave you down there and see if you get up on your own. Thanks for watching. If you like what you've seen so far, please give us a thumbs up and check out some of the other videos. And let's kickstart your day.